Alright, today for math, you're going to start with practicing your multiplication and division facts. You should practice the facts using lesson 11.5, which is RW 63 and PW 63. Please be aware that this page is a mixture of multiplication facts and division facts. So look closely at the symbols. Once you are finished with that, you should have watched the videos introducing our types of triangles. If you have not watched the videos introducing our types of triangles, please pause right now and go back and watch those videos. When you are ready, go ahead and get out lesson 12.4, which is RW 69. Our three types of triangles are our equilateral triangle. This triangle has 3 equal sides. All of the sides are the exact same length. Our isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are equal in length, meaning 2 sides are the same and one side could either be longer or shorter. And finally, our scalene triangle. Our scalene triangle has no sides that are equal. They're all different. Let's take a peek at this triangle right here. We are either going to decide if it is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. And yes, for simplicity in today's assignment, you are more than welcome to just simply write an E, an I, or an S. All right, so how long are the sides? We would measure each side. The sides of this triangle are all equal. Therefore, we can decide that with all sides being equal, that this particular triangle is an equilateral triangle. Let's do some other triangles together. Looking at this triangle, do you think that all sides are equal? That maybe 2 sides are equal? Or does it look like that it has no matching sides at all? That's right, it has 2 equal sides. It is our isosceles triangle. What about number 2? All sides are equal. It is an equilateral triangle. What about number 3? Nope, none of those sides match up. So that's an example of a scalene triangle. Number 4, exactly, all those sides are equal. That means we have an equilateral triangle. Number 5, none of those sides match up. When I have no sides that are of the same length, I have an example of a scalene triangle. And finally, number 6, if I measured up those sides, I would see that these 2 are the same, and if I have 2 sides that are equal, I have an isosceles triangle. Your job today is to complete lesson 12.4, which is PW 69. You should complete numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We're going to talk right now about number 10. On number 10, it's asking you, can a triangle with a right angle also be an isosceles triangle? Remember, our isosceles triangle needs to have 2 equal sides. And a right triangle means that it simply has a right angle. Does that make sense? I have my right angle right here to start my right triangle. I could then make both of these lines the exact same length, right? I could use a ruler and I could make those two lines that connect at a right angle the same length. And then it wouldn't even matter how long this particular line was, because my isosceles triangle just needs two sides that are equal. So, can a triangle with a right angle also be an isosceles triangle? Yes. Yes, it can. It can have two sides that are the same and have a right angle. Remember, if you'd like me to check your page, go ahead and upload it to Class Dojo. Ready, set, go.